Welcome, fam. If your body feels heavy, your hips are locked, or your spine hasn't felt free in days, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll melt tension from the ground up and restore the rhythm your nervous system has been craving. Let's hit the mat. This is your safe place. Knees wide, toes touching, arms reaching forward. Lower your chest to the ground and breathe. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset button for your entire nervous system. Let your forehead rest on the floor. Feel the breath press into your lower back. Soften your hips with every exhale. I promise staying here for 1 minute can reduce cortisol, ease back tension, and shift you from stress into peace. Beginners, use a pillow under your chest. Advanced stretches, walk your hands further forward, deepen the breath. Hold 5 more seconds. Let your shoulders melt. Let go of everything. Can you feel your spine lengthening with each breath? That just grounded your back. Now let's unlock your hips. Sit tall with knees bent and feet wide apart. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. It's like a windshield wiper for your hips. You don't even realize how much your internal rotators tighten up during the day until you do this. Sit up tall, move slowly, feel the stretch in your inner hips. Switch sides with control. I promise this 1 minute will boost your mobility and relieve hidden tension that's been quietly draining your energy. Beginners, place hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try with arms out in front for more core challenge. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know that poor internal hip rotation is often what limits deep squats and contributes to back pain? Let's go. 5 more seconds. Sink into that tight spot. Feel one side tighter than the other. That's your body's way of saying thank you for finally noticing. That just released your hips. Now let's fire them up. Start in a tall kneel, hips stacked over knees. Slowly sit back towards your heels, then press up again. This is not just about mobility, it's about control. Tuck your tailbone slightly as you rise. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Let the hips stretch as you lower. I promise this will wake up your hip flexors, ease tension in the lower back, and teach your body how to move with grace again. Beginners, keep the range small. Advanced stretches, raise your arms overhead for an extra challenge. Here's what most people don't know. Weak hip flexors often mimic tight ones. This move solves both. 5 more seconds, smooth and steady. Feel the front of your thighs light up. That's strength meeting flexibility. That just rebuilt your hips. Now let's move them in every direction. From your kneeling position, circle your hips slowly in a full range. Back, side. Reverse halfway. This is where we connect movement with intention. Hands on hips or out for balance. Keep your upper body tall. Let your hips trace a perfect circle beneath you. I promise this subtle move realigns your lower back, increases pelvic control, and supports better walking and lifting throughout your day. Beginners, go smaller and slower. Advanced stretches, add a slight pause at each corner of the circle. Did you know that movement in the pelvis affects how pressure moves throughout your whole spine? And even impacts digestion. 5 more seconds. Let it flow. Let it heal. Can you feel the rhythm in your body syncing with your breath? That just restored your lower spine. Now let's open the heart. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Pull your knuckles toward the floor and lift your chest high. This is how we reverse the slouch, the shutdown posture we fall into daily. Stand or kneel tall, shoulder blades together, chin lifted. Breathe deeply into your heart. I promise this will undo hours of sitting and immediately improve your breathing and posture. Hold a towel between your hands if interlacing is tough. Fold forward while keeping your arms lifted for a deeper stretch. Tight chest muscles can contribute to neck pain, migraines, and shallow breathing. This fixes all 3. Hold it 5 more seconds. Proud chest, soft breath. Do you feel lighter? That's your posture realigning from the inside out. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.